Hi folks, welcome back to In the Kitchen with Bert and Linda, and Linda's going to come over. Hello
Am I
Linda.
coming up?
She loves to stay out of the picture frame. I don't know
Hey.
why.
That was my job years ago as a secretary. I stayed in the backside and got everything prepared while everybody else is doing the talking. So talk.
Well, I like to put the pretty person in front. Here she is. So anyway, today what we're going to try to show you guys is we're going to do a meatloaf and cream potatoes, like a nice Sunday lunch. And we're going to start off showing you, I guess, how to do mix the meatloaf and how to put the parchment paper on the meatloaf and then get it started. We're going to do like a 350 oven for, I'm guessing, 20 to 25 minutes or 30 minutes until it's done, okay? Go ahead.
He's beating me to death back here.
Well, okay. Well, she ain't been spanked in a long time, folks. No, I wouldn't hurt a hair on this little sweetie's head. All right, anyway, go ahead.
Okay. What we're going to do first, though, is do 2 tips. I know people have been asking us, how do we cut up onions? So, Bart, do you want to show them how we cut up onions? Let me
You
see
can
if I
do
can
that.
get down.
You got it right there.
There's the onion. I have cut the onion in half. And, okay, let's see. There's the onion. And I have cut it this way. And let me see if I can pick it up. There you go. You can see it. Okay. So what I do next is put it all together. I go, take your knife, my hand's in the way. Take your knife and cut into it this way, straight across. Be sure to watch your fingers. Okay. Then come back out and then just start cutting it little by little. And it makes itty bitty little pieces of onions. So it depends on what we're doing. When we're cooking pot of pinto beans, I like to have them bigger. So I'll make chunks of onions. But this, you want to finish this out?
Oh, go ahead. You got it. You're doing it.
But that's all we do, and it makes it small to go in the meatloaf.
My fingers are safe, so I'm going to just let her go ahead and do whatever her job, whatever she's doing here. Like I say, folks, she is the chef. I am the apprentice. I'll be happy to admit it.
Hey, I can promote.
She's been doing this for years and years and years, and I'm still in the learning curve stage. So how are you guys weather today? We've got cloudy weather, and they're saying it's going to rain later on this afternoon. We've had 2 or 3 days of really beautiful sunshine, but today the clouds have rolled in, so we take whatever God gives us.
Yeah, it's still warm though, so we have taken our indoor plants and put them out on the deck, so they should be.
Okay.
They should be fine. Thursday night now they're calling it to be like 36, which we may have to cover them up, but that's the only night that it's going to be cold. So we'll figure out what to do with them then. Normally we just take plastic and cover them up. Don't bring them back in. Not until next fall when it gets cold again. Okay, that'll do. Alright, now let me show you another trick that we do too. People have a lot of problem with parchment paper because it won't stay in the pan. You know, they press trying to get it in there. Forget that. Take your parchment paper, ball it up, spread it out. It won't fight you. And that's what we're going to put the meatloaf on. What do you think, Bert?
Good idea.
That's it. That's all you do. Then when you get through, throw it away.
See, I'm learning something today because I've never seen that trick.
It's just a lot easier. These are our potatoes that we've already cut up. So I'm going to put them in the oven, stove, and get them boiling. And Bert's going to mix up the meatloaf. So where are you, Bert? Okay, I've already put in some oatmeal as our binder for the meatloaf. So let me get your head.
Yeah, but I'm gonna come around there. I
You
guess.
okay? Okay, let me put these out of the way.
All right. Well, anyways, we've got mustard, we got Worcestershire sauce, and ketchup, and we've got 1 egg, and about a cup, I'm guessing, of oatmeal, and then roughly is it 2 onions or 1 onion
It's
chopped
one
up?
onion chopped up.
One good sized onion chopped up. And that, along with the meat, is our meatloaf. Excuse me 1 second, I gotta get the meat out.
I forgot that. Sorry. Sorry.
Well, you know, meatloaf without the meat is really, I guess, just called loaf. But anyway,
Oh God.
this is the main ingredient in my book, is the meat. So we got it's roughly 1 to 1.5 pound of meat that's thawed out completely. And I'm just gonna put it in here, but I'm gonna break it up just a little bit as I put it in here to kind of get it going. So you guys just bear with me for just a second. And I'm gonna let Linda come back over here and talk to you guys for a minute while I wash my hands real quick.
Okay. Yeah, we wash our hands so much around here. I'm surprised we still got skin on our hands. But anyway, so this is what we're having: meatloaf and cream potatoes, and I may fix some green peas. I've already had some string beans cooked.
Maybe, well,
So whatever you want.
she may have green peas. I'll probably have some string beans. All right, I'm gonna cut 1 egg, pop 1 egg and put it in here. And try to make sure no shell is in there. Then we're gonna just do this by just guesswork, just a splash of Worcestershire sauce. No more than maybe a teaspoon or so. And then as far as mustard, once I get it opened, put in about maybe 2 tablespoons of mustard. And then I'm assuming about the same amount of ketchup, roughly 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Then we're going to put the onions in. And I just washed my hands, so I know Linda thinks you're supposed to use a spatula or something, but honestly, guys, to really mix this thoroughly, just go in with your hands and just blend this up the best you can. Get it all thoroughly get it blended as thoroughly as you can. Or as one lady on one channel says, let them all get well acquainted. But I think that's kind of cute. But they have to, you really want it to pretty much be as you want all parts as equal as possible when you do this so it'll cook.
Let's see if it's out of the way. They can see that.
So it'll cook through thoroughly and you'll have some of the ingredients everywhere.
Those onions smell good. Bert always does the meatloaf for us. It's a fantastic recipe, and it's really good.
I'll do it because she don't want to get her hands dirty. That's tell the truth.
No.
No, not really. Okay, anyways, now we're going to just transfer the meatloaf over and put it in the pan. And once again, I'm going to wash my hands. Talk Linda while you're...
I'm supposed to talk. Let me see, what do I know? I know it's Sunday, and we've got a busy week next week. We'll be doing more filming. So if you got any suggestions, let us know.
Now I'm going to take the spatula and just try to mash this down. I may have to use my hands on this too. I think I will. Here. Now Linda likes kind of the meat to be thin on this, so what we're going to do is try to just really, when it's thin, like we fix it, it cooks through and you get basically it's brown. Just cooked brown or through and through quicker. She likes it well done. It's really with meat, I do too, as far as with the hamburger meat.
I actually kind of like it crusty. I do.
But you can see that's pretty well, I don't know, that's no more than, I'd say probably 3/4 of an inch thick at most, probably. What do you think?
Yeah.
Now, this is a product before going in the oven, and we'll be back after we have it get this cooked, and we'll see you guys on the other side. Okay, meatloaf is cooked, and we're back, and guess what? Sun came out, but I want to show you a quick snapshot picture of the meatloaf. It's done, it's brown, and we're going to plate it up and come right back and show you our finished product on a plate. Okay, we're back, and this is in the kitchen with Bert and Linda again, and we've got plates just plated up for our Sunday lunch. We've got meatloaf, string beans, and
Let me get it.
and creamed potatoes.
Wait a minute. I'm going to float it around all over the kitchen.
And then Linda she's got pintos with her plate with potatoes and meatloaf. So anyways, bon appetit. We're going to have a taste.
Looks good. Bert makes good meatloaf.
The meatloaf is very good. It's mixed up well.
I'm going to try the potatoes.
Linda can try potatoes. I'm going to just wait and have the meal after we sit down and eat, get our drinks. So just remember, guys, I hope y'all have a great day. Just remember that God loves you, and so do we, and please keep praying for our troops in harm's way and elsewhere. Y'all just go out and have a fantastic day, and we'll see you on the next time. And don't forget, please like, subscribe, share out our channel, and we're trying to grow. We're growing, and we'll catch you guys later on the next one. Okay? Y'all have a great one. Bye.